Hello guys, in this video I am going to explain about comparison of well irrigation and canal irrigation. Well irrigation. In well irrigation, the instant source of supply we can expect continuous water sources can be supplied from the wells. Whereas in canal irrigation, this is dependent on water availability in canal system. As you are all aware that when the water is available in the reservoir, I mean in the dam side, then the water will be released through the canals and canal water reaches the agricultural land for irrigation. In the monsoon and post monsoon, the water is available in the reservoir, so we can expect the water in the canal also. Whereas in summer, the water availability will be reduced, so reduced in the reservoir. Accordingly, the water source is reduced in the canal. Second point, in well irrigation, supply can be drawn as per requirements, as per our requirement, as per the crop uh, requirement, crop water requirement. We can draw the water from the ground and we can distribute or supply the water to the land. In canal irrigation, supply received from the canal has to be used. Benefit of rainfall may or may not be possible. Whatever the water is supplying through the canal or received from the canal, that should be used. And the third point in the well irrigation, lesser fluctuations in supply. In well irrigation, the fluctuations will not be there, continuous water supply will be there. In canal irrigation, higher fluctuations in supply we can see in the canals, because whenever the water released in the canal, the fluctuations will be more. Fourth point in well irrigation, supply more uniform in temperature and soluble mineral contents. In well irrigation, supply more uniform in temperature and soluble mineral contents. Well water warmer in winter and cooler in summer is suitable for crops. The well irrigation is more suitable for the crops. Whereas in canal irrigation, canal supply is not uniform in temperature. It is colder in winter and warmer in summer. It may pick up minerals en route. Whatever the minerals are eroded and coming along with the soil, that can be enrich uh, the soil, and that soil become highly fertile and we can expect more crops from the canal water. Fifth point, in well irrigation, phased investment as irrigation develops. In canal irrigation, high investment all at once on canal system, canal structures, etc. At the time of canal construction, the heavy investment will be there. In well irrigation, volumetric sale of water is possible, whereas in canal water, volumetric sale of water not in use as yet. In well irrigation, low transit loss in small water course length only. Low transit loss in small water course length only. Here the losses will be very less in well irrigation, and in canal irrigation high water loss in transit in long canal system and water courses. During the flowing of water in the canal, there is a more chances of water loss that should be high. In well irrigation, the 8 point is effective anti waterlogging measure. As we are supplying the water as per the requirement, here the waterlogging problem will not be there. In canal irrigation, it leads to water logging. Water logging means water will be stagnant, and sometime it may covers the crops because of the over irrigation. If drainage is not provided, this kind of water logging problems will face. And the ninth point is high working expenses usually to owner's account. Whereas in canal, maintenance of canal system is done by canal department. In the well irrigation, the whatever the expenditures is coming, that should be maintained by the owner. But in canal system, the maintenance cost will be paid by the canal department, I mean irrigation department. Next point, in well irrigation, lifting equipment difficult to maintain. As we are knowing, we are all know that lifting equipment means it may be the pipes, pumps, and all. Sometimes there may be a chances of the damage or breaking down, so the maintenance will be more and difficult in well irrigation. In canal irrigation, no such equipment is involved in gravity flow system. As the water is flowing in gravity flow system, the lifting equipment is not required. Next point in well irrigation is high cost of irrigation. In canal, it is very low cost of irrigation. And the last point in well irrigation is limited life. Canal irrigation is permanent source. In the limited life or limited source means this limited stock of water is dependent on the aquifer which is in the litho units or the crust, whereas the canal irrigation is the permanent source. Due to the rainfall, the water stored in the reservoir, and that will be supplied to the canal, supplied to the agriculture line through the canal. So this is what this can be considered as permanent source. So this is a comparison of well irrigation and canal irrigation. Thank you.